I'm Trevan Landin from the Thermo Fisher Scientific Semiconductor Business Unit. I'm here today with Abhi Barve. Abhi, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your journey here at Thermo Fisher?
Hey, thanks, Trevan. Hope you're doing well. My name is Abhi Barve, and I'm part of the Semiconductor Business Unit at Thermo Fisher Scientific. I've been in this role for about 4 years, and I'm responsible for driving lab automation business in this organization. And Trevan, I must say that these are exciting times for the semiconductor business.
Abhi, I'd have to agree with you there. We're here today to talk about groundbreaking advances in our automated TEM Metrology lab. Abhi, can you start the discussion by telling us a little bit about the inflection points and challenges in the semiconductor industry?
Sure, Trevan. There are a few things, maybe if we look back in time starting 2010, we saw that we had a mobile device inflection point for the semiconductor industry. And that led to a demand on semiconductor chips for faster, high performance chips to support that particular industry application. Then came the social media inflection point that drove a different set of requirements, but essentially driving the semiconductor chip industry to think about how are they going to supply for this new application that the customers are requesting. And here we are in 2025, we have the AI inflection point, and that is driving a markedly different demand on the semiconductor chip industry. Each of these inflection points essentially drove or are driving more complex, smaller, higher performance chips. That is leading into our customers needing more TEM metrology information to support their R&D and yield ramp as they go through the process of bringing the product to the market. So these are extremely challenging times for our customers, but also these are very exciting opportunities in terms of bringing new technologies to the market.
More specifically, what challenges did the customers face in the TEM metrology area?
Yeah, so let's start with maybe three challenges that they're facing today. The first challenge they're facing is their ability to scale their manpower to run a TEM metrology lab. What do I mean by that? There are maybe challenges related to hiring skilled resources, training skilled resources, and retaining skilled resources. That's kind of one set. The second set of challenges that they have is being able to get the same level of output in terms of consistency related to, for example, robust lamella prep and also throughput. That's the second set of challenges. And the third set of challenges is, taking different application needs that they have and then scaling those applications to be able to support the R&D and yield ramp metrology needs. So it's a pretty complex situation at this moment that the customers are trying to navigate through. And in response to that, I think what we have done is we have launched a new era of TEM metrology through our automated TEM metrology lab.
Can you give us a quick reminder of which instruments are part of the automated lab environment?
Sure. We have, I would say, three different classifications or three different sections in which we think about automated TEM metrology lab. The first one being process automation, all tool process automation. And to support that, we are launching the new Helios 6 HXS lamella prep tool in order to be able to do automated process on the imaging side. We are excited to talk about the Metrios 6S tool. And then finally, making sure that these tools are able to automatically handle the material or samples that flow across these tools. Each of these tools comes with a semi-standard compliant EFEM that is able to load and unload the samples the last part to this is making sure we have seamless data connectivity that is controlled to the customer's host environment so that the data can be tracked throughout the sample's journey through a TEM Metrology lab. So once again, this has components related to process automation on our new tools. This has components related to automated material handling through the eFEMS and seamless data connectivity to customer host for data tracking throughout the life cycle of a sample.